Hi friends, hello, welcome back to my channel Walk with Rajeshi once again. So today is another day with a bright beautiful sky. But you know what, today morning when we started, it started with the snow and lot of snowflakes, and right now the weather is really good. So before it gets dull again, why not show you the sky and the surroundings again. So let's take a walk along with me. Are you ready to walk? Let's walk. So friends, today when I started the morning, it was started with the snowfalls, and I woke up and I saw the snowfall outside and it was beautiful. Though it was not sunny or the sunlight were there, it was a grey start, but the snow makes it looks more beautiful. The sky I show you the other day, it was a sunny and bright and beautiful. I thought the day will be like this all the time, and I started walking towards my destination for some of the thing I have to do. And I love to walk on the snow, though I have to walk a little carefully so I don't sleep. And I was walking towards my thing and enjoying the snow. Every season, every weather has its own beauty, and I love to rejoice every moment while I'm walking. And even I go to some work or some place, anywhere, I try to look around me and feel good about my surroundings wherever I stay, wherever I go. Do you remember this road while I was walking on the sun yesterday? And see, again I'm walking on the same road. It's my everyday path to walk with, but every day I see it in a new way. And then I thought, why not sharing with all of you? Oh my gosh, and suddenly the weather, the sky changed. It was sunny, it was a clear sky, it was the clouds floating. Just look at it. For me, we have to find the beauty of the nature in our surroundings, wherever we are in and whatever we are doing. So the place we are in, it has to be the place we should rejoice. Every time we cannot go a long way to see the beauty and feel refreshed. So sometimes you just come to your balcony, go to your terrace, walk nearby the garden and the place and feel refreshed with. And that's always been my take. What do you say, guys? Are you with me to walk with me? Tell me. It is really surprising to me. The morning I started with the grey and the snow, and suddenly after a couple of hours the sky being totally clear, the clouds were floating, the blue clear sky, and I was so happy. I had to go multiple places that day, and I had to go here and there, and I thoroughly loved the changing of the sky color and the weather, and as well as the temperature was varying due to the like the clouds change as well. So I was somewhere feeling very positive around it. So to me, whenever and wherever I am, I just go with the nature, and it's give me a lot of positivity. I observe my surroundings, and there are a lot to learn from the surroundings, and I feel I rejoice every moment of that. So friends, this was my morning, evening and afternoon sky and the weather of the day. So I hope you like the sky of mine. The day was eventful, and I was showing you the sky because the mood, the way our mood changed, that's the way the color of the sky, the nature changed. So I hope you like it, and do let me know what you feel about when you see your surroundings and the sky change and you see the clouds floating, and do let me know about your day. If you are new and watching me first time, don't forget to subscribe.